So as you can see, my Acer laptop i5 has broke. I accidentally dropped it on its side and the start button wouldn't work. What I should have done is got someone professional to have a look at it, but instead I tried to fix it myself, and as a result I couldn't fix it, and it just got worse and worse as I was trying to fix it. I shouldn't have opened it up and tried to fix it myself. I should have took it to a professional. And now I've got a new laptop which I bought recently, and today I will be unboxing the HP Pavilion i7 laptop. It is an Intel Core processor i7. It cost around £750. So let's get it out of the box and just remove the packaging there. So here we have the battery charger, and it also comes with setup instructions on how to set up the laptop, etc. So I'm just going to remove the plastic cover to reveal the HP laptop, which comes in a silver colour, and the weight is approximately 2 kilos. And the dimensions are: the height is 22.5 millimeters, the width is 252 millimeters, and the depth is 378 millimeters. It has 2 USB 3.1 ports, a video interface HDMI, a audio jack, and it also comes with a Kensington microsaver lock slot and a Miracast, whatever that is. It has a SD card reader and an expansion card slot, M.2. This model laptop comes with a DVD drive, so it's useful if you got DVDs that you want to play on it. It's made out of aluminium. It looks very stylish. The RAM is 8 gigabytes, which is pretty good for most users. But if you are a heavy gamer or photo video editor, then I would recommend a 16 gigabytes of memory. But for most people, this should be efficient for daily use or moderate use. I haven't tried it yet on any games, but I will be doing a test. I will be doing a video on that, which will be my next video. So watch out for that. So let's open it up and remove the protective sheet, like so. So what do we have? Well, we have a screen size of 15.6 inches. So you have a standard keyboard, also made out of aluminium, and it has a numeric keyboard on the right hand side. So it's very convenient if you use numbers frequently. It has a multi-touch trackpad, which is very smooth to use. I forgot to mention the battery life, which is it can last up to 9.5 hours. So I'm just going to switch it on and set it up. So we are at the setup page, and I'm just going to quickly set up my laptop, which will take about 20 minutes to set up. And my laptop is ready to use. It comes with 256 gigabytes of storage. I mean, if you want more storage, then obviously you can buy an external hard drive. It's a Windows 10. I haven't had any problems with Windows 10 so far. So here we have the features and programs it comes with, which is similar to the Windows 8, just a different layout slightly. And the specifications of the laptop are 2.70 gigahertz to 2.90 gigahertz, which is slightly faster than the i5 Intel Core processor. The display resolution is 1920 by 1080, and it has backlighting, and the screen features are its anti-glare coating. It has GeForce 940 MX, which is good for gaming. It's a more powerful processor than I had previously. So I mean, I do want to try it out on gaming to see if it does run smoothly, etc. Yeah. The webcam camera is full HD. I mean, I haven't tried it out yet. Not saying that I am, but just saying. There's speakers along the top, and the ventilation it's almost hidden between the monitor and the base of the laptop. So I mean, I will be doing a full review of the laptop. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notifications button to be notified on that. So what else can I say about the laptop? Well, the good thing about the HP laptop is you won't need to use any additional adapters, and you've got plenty of different ports. So that's it. I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.